Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the USB tethering in your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to enable or turn on USB tethering in your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to enable or turn on USB tethering in your device.